How to recover permanently deleted notes on your iOS. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Notes app. Now at the top left corner, you can find this option of folders. Tap on it. Now over here, you will find this section for recently deleted. Tap on it. Now over here, you might find the note that you were searching for. If you cannot find the note over here, what you can do is head towards this site, G-Tweak. Over here, you can find this option of Notes Recover. What you have to do is install it. Tap on the option Install. It is in the process to be installed. You have to wait for a few seconds. After completion of installation process, you can close this and open your Settings app. Now scroll down, go to this option of General. Scroll down, over here you will find the option of VPN and Device Management. Open that option. Now here you're gonna find the Notes Recover app. All you have to do is tap on it. At the top right, you will find the option of Install. Tap on it. Now over here you will need to type in your passcode. Now tap on Next. Tap on Install. Tap on Install again. Tap on Done. You can close it. Now in your home screen, you can find this app Notes Recover. You can just open it and check the notes. So this is how you can recover permanently deleted notes on your iOS. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.